almost packed up.
Sooner the better. Damn, that was fast.
We're all set. Get in the chopper.
On our way.
Damn it! These guys are a pain in my ass!
We can't let them blow up the bomb. Go up here. Send me back.
I'm on it.
Easier on these things. We're moving so fast. Here, just keep going. We're clearing them out.
I'm still getting in here!
Keep it steady up there.
What's taking so long to get those things down? Don't think these dials are supposed to be spinning like this.
Good shooting, boss.
What you guys waiting for?
I see my entrance plate. Take it down over there.
There's gonna be enough room for this shit, right?
Maybe?
So what's next?
What's next is you go back to Stillwater.
What? No, this is my fight too.
Girl, you don't get messy. Let us take care of business.
Fuck you. I'm doing this for Johnny.
All right, well, if we're gonna bring in the boys, we're gonna need a new place.
You're worried about real estate? We have guns. Let's use them.
Relax, Shandi. We got it all covered. How's the crew settling in?
Man, we gotta get a new place. That studio shit ain't working at all.
Oh, spent too much time in posh hotels?
I can't help it that the rest of the world treats the Saints right.
Doesn't mean we should get soft.
I hear you. Listen, how about you and me roll around the city and see what Steelport has to offer?
You convince me. Just meet me at the park. I'll pick you up. You lost to the best!
Believe how strong you are.
Can't get No one beats a Saint!
A light rain can refresh the soul and wash away the stains of the day.